Hey folks, welcome to Recipe School, and today we're going to cook chicken and chips. Let's start with the chicken. Cut the chicken breast into fillets. With a chicken breast of this size, you'll get around 3 or 4 fillets. Now we are going to season the fillets. First, season with salt, and then season with pepper. We'll do this on both sides of the fillet. Season with salt and then season with pepper. Now get a lemon, cut in half and squeeze it in both sides of the chicken. Now we are going to dredge our chickens into the flour. Get a bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and dredge the fillets into the flour and set aside. It will be like this. Now let's prepare the batter. In a bowl, add the beer and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Use a fork to whisk continuously and add more flour if needed. Remember to add 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix it until you have a thick, smooth batter. Let's prepare our sweet pear puree. In a blender, add the sweet pear without the water and the table cream. Blend until smooth. It will be like this. Heat a small pan with the butter in medium heat, and when melted, add the puree and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir for about 5 minutes and set aside. In a medium pan, add and heat the frying oil to begin frying the potatoes. So we are going first fry all the potatoes, and then once it is done, we are going to start to fry the chicken. To fry the chicken is pretty simple. Dip the fillets into the batter, coating the entire fillet. Drain the batter excess and carefully lower each fillet in the hot oil. Fry on both sides until the batter is crisp and golden. Once cooked, remove the fillets from the hot oil and drain them on paper towels. Let's plate our dish. Choose a plate of your preference. Spread 1 tablespoon of sweet pear puree in half of the plate. On the other side of the plate, add 1 or 2 fillets. Now, add the fries above the sweet pear puree. Cut 1 slice of lemon, cut this slice into half, turn this slice and place it above the chicken. That's it, our plating is finished. Enjoy!